My dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you doing well? Okay, now continuation of organic in bridge course organic chemistry, IUPAC nomenclature. So maybe 2 or 3 days I will finish in organic chemistry IUPAC nomenclature. After that, next week I will start. After 2 or 3 days I will start lessons, intermediate lessons for atomic structure. So next week maybe after 3 days I will start lessons. Bridge course after 2 or 3 days I will finish. Okay. Yesterday I explained organic compounds containing functional group also I finished. Now today nomenclature of organic compound containing more than 2 functional groups. 2 or more functional groups. So nomenclature of organic compounds having 2 or more functional groups. Generally here 2 or more functional groups. Organic compound contain 2 or more functional groups depends on tabular form. One functional group acts as a prefix, one functional group acts as a suffix. Now example 1. I am taking CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. In this case, 2 functional groups is there. One functional group alcohol, one functional group aldehyde. So, according to tabular form, which one is there in order? Which one is there? That functional group. Which one first one is there? That functional group acts as suffix. After the functional group acts as a prefix. Here aldehyde and alcohol. Here OH group prefix. And CHO suffix, because in a functional group first CHO is there, next OH is there. So these are order. So OH prefix, CHO suffix. Tabular form aldehyde first, alcohol next. So numbering in there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alcohol suffix ol, prefix hydroxy. That means name 4-hydroxy. Simply pentanol. 4-hydroxy pentane 1-ol or simply 4-hydroxy pentanol. 4-hydroxy pentanol. So that structure 4-hydroxy pentanol. So write down 4-hydroxy pentanol. Okay, next structure. Here NH2, here amide. Here amine. NH2 means amine. Here amine. CONH2 amide. In this case, amide first, amine next. So these are prefix. Amine means it acts as a prefix. It acts as a suffix. In this case, so compulsory numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4. Name 3 amino butanamide 3 amino butane 1 amide, or 3 amino butanamide, 3 amino butanamide, 3 amino butanamide, 3 amino butanamide. Here amino group is a prefix, amide group is a suffix. Write down. Next example 3. So example 3. CH3, CH, SH, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. SH, ketone. Here SH is there. Here SH prefix. CO suffix. SH means mercapto. SH means mercapto. These are ketone. So prefix numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 mercapto. SH means prefix mercapto. 5 mercapto. Hexane 2-one. 5 mercapto hexane 2-one. 5 mercapto hexane 2-one or 5 mercapto 2-hexanone. That also correct. It is a better. 5 mercapto hexane 2-one. So that answer. Example 4. CH3, CH, CH, CONH2, CH2, COOH. In this case, CONH2 prefix, CONH2, COOH suffix. In this case, CONH2 prefix, COOH suffix. Here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CONH prefix means carbomoyal. That means 3 carbomoyal pentane 1 oic acid, pentane 1 oic acid, or 3 carbomoyal pentanoic acid, or another name is the structure, another name is 3 carbomoyal pentanoic acid, 3 carbomoyal pentanoic acid. Write down the answer. 3 carbomoyal pentanoic acid or 3 carbomoyal pentane 1 oic acid. Write down. So example 5. Here CH3, CH2, CH. Here functional group, COCl functional group, acid halide. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. OCH3 alkoxy. That means 4 methoxy, hexane 1, OL chloride, hexane 1, OL chloride, or simply 4 methyl hexanoyl chloride, 4 methyl hexanoyl. Here 4 methyl hexanoyl chloride, Hex means how many 6 carbons? OL chloride 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 methoxy, 4-methoxy hexanoyl chloride. Sorry, 4-methoxy hexanoyl chloride. So that compounds contain two functional groups. And another, example 6, CH3 CH2 So these are ester group is there. Here ester, COO ester is there. Here COO ester, COO group ester. It is a suffix. Alcohol, it is a prefix. Chlorine also prefix and substituent. It is also prefix. Ester compulsory first name alkyl group. After that numbering. After alkyl group numbering here 1, 2, 3 like that. Here 1. Ester group means COO consider. Here C first alkyl group. We can name. We will give name for first alkyl group. Here ethyl 1, 2. Next 3, 4, 5. First alkyl group required name. So first ethyl. Ethyl next chlorohydroxy. Ethyl 3-chloro 3-hydroxy. Ethyl 3-chloro 3-hydroxy. Total how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pentanoate. 3-hydroxy pentanoate. Pentanoate. That answer. Ethyl 3-chloro. Tough structure. Ethyl 3-chloro 3-hydroxy pentanoate. Once I will explain. Once see. Ester's IUPAC name is alkyl alkanoid. First we want give the name for alkyl group. First ethyl. Not that numbering here. Don't keep the number not here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ethyl. After that the substituent. 3-chloro 3-hydroxy pentanoate. Why pentanoate? Having 6 carbons. These are already completed. Ethyl 3-chloro 3-hydroxy pentanoate. Pentanoate means 5 carbons. Pentanoate. So that name. So next answer is example 7. CH3 CH in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth carbon which group is there? Formyl. Formyl or aldo, anyone. CHO means in this case CHO prefix. CHO prefix, COOH suffix. Okay, name 4-aldo hexanoic acid simply. 4-aldo hexanoic acid, or simply another name is 4-formyl. Two names is there. 4-formyl hexanoic. 4-formyl hexanoic acid. 4-formyl hexanoic acid. 4-formyl hexanoic acid. So these are names. Aldehyde prefix. Aldehyde prefix name is formyl or aldo. CHO. Okay, write down. Next name is numbering compulsory here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. NO2 prefix, amide suffix. NO2 prefix. NO2 prefix. Amide suffix. Okay? So that name is 5-nitro. 5-nitro. These are unsaturated compound. Don't say hexanamide wrong. That means 5-nitro. X 2 in 1 amide. That name. Double bond is there. 5-nitro. 5-nitro. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5-nitro. Compound having double bond is there means compulsory carbon double bond or triple bond is there. Compulsory root word required. That means X have to like that, not Xa, not pentane like that. 5-nitro X. 5-nitro X 2 in 1 amide. 5-nitro X 2 in 1 amide. So example 9, write down. My dear students, are you following? Very easy. After that I will give some examples at home. Here OH prefix, cyanide suffix. In this case, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So name 3-hydroxy, 3-hydroxy, 3-hydroxy pentane 1-nitrile, pentane nitrile, pentane 1-nitrile, pentane nitrile. Pentane means 5 carbons. NITRLE, nitrile, nitrile. 3-hydroxy pentane 1-nitrile. Direct write pentane. In this case, amine suffix, amine suffix, ether prefix. Here, O prefix. That means O means ether. NH2 suffix. O means ether. A numbering in this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are considered as a ethoxy. Chloro. Chloro means C first. Ethoxy next. Simply that name is 4-chloro. 4-chloro. 5-ethoxy. First letter है capital letter. 4-chloro. 5-ethoxy. 4-chloro. 5-ethoxy. Pentane to amine. Pentane to amine. 4-chloro once again. So these are group are considered as a substituent group. That is a ethyl plus oxygen ethoxy. One type of prefix group. So that means ethoxy first, chloro first, C first. 4-chloro, 5-ethoxy, pentane. Total how many carbons? 5. These are completed. Pentane to amine. Pentane to amine or to pentanamine. Pentane to amine. Okay. So these are organic compounds containing two functional groups, means like that, this type of names. Suppose another one is organic compounds containing functional group. That functional group having carbon. So organic compound containing functional group. The functional group having carbon. These groups, three identical functional groups attached to direct chain. That name is considered as, the type of name compounds considered as organic compounds. Organic compounds having functional group. Organic compounds having functional groups. Organic compounds having functional groups 3. Similar. Organic compounds having functional group 3 similar. Having carbon. Organic compounds having functional group 3 similar. Having carbon. The name of the organic compounds given by the following. Organic compounds having functional groups 3 similar. 3 similar functional groups having carbon. The name of the organic compounds given by the following. Suppose CH2, CH2, CH2. So these functional groups are directly attached to main chain carbon. And another name, these compounds having functional group having carbon identical groups directly attached to main chain. So organic compound directly attached to main chain. Directly attached to main chain, the compound, the following. Here these are considered as these are 1, 2, 3 propane. Here propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. 1 comma 2 comma 3 tricarboxylic acid, that name. No need of 1 2 3 pentanoic acid like that, wrong. Propane 1 2 3 tricarboxylic acid. When these are case, organic compounds containing 3 identical functional groups having carbon directly attached to main chain of the carbon, the name of the organic compound given by like that. So propane 1 2 3 tricarboxylic, here compulsory E also required. Propane 1 2 3 tricarboxylic acid. Propane 1 2 3 tricarboxylic acid. So example 1. Next example 2. Example 2. CH, Cn is there. Here also Cn is there. Here also Cn is there. In this case, identical function Cn. 3 identical functional groups having carbon directly attached to main chain. They are attached to main chain here. Compulsory. In this 1 2 4, here 1 2, numbering in this direction. 1 2 3 4. So top 4 means butane. 1 comma 2 comma 4 tricarbonitrile. Special names. They are special names. Compulsory 3 identical functional groups. Listen carefully. Organic compound containing 3 identical functional groups having carbon. That functional group containing compulsory carbon directly attached to main chain. The given compound is butane 1 2 4, numbering 1 2 4, this direction is the lowest number. 1 2 4 tricarbonitrile. Okay, next another name is here also actually propane. Any direction equal. Here 1 2 3. 3 means propane. 3 identical functional groups are having carbon directly attached to carbon main chain. Here name propane 1 comma 2 comma 3 tricarbaldehyde. Propane 1 comma 2 comma 3 tricarbaldehyde. Propane 1 comma 2 comma 3 tricarbaldehyde. Next another. In this case, CONH2 direct attached. Total how many carbons they are not considered. Numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Total how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means pentane. Direct. Here also compulsory record. Pentane 1 comma 2 comma 4. Tricarboxamide. Pentane 1, 2, 4 tripentane. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 tricarboxamide. Tricarboxamide. CONH is there, carboxamide. CN means carbonitrate. CHO means carbaldehyde. COH means carboxylic acid. Like that, this type of functional group, compulsory functional group having carbon, 3 identical functional groups attached to direct main chain. The name of the compound is given as the following models. So these are IUPAC nomenclature of some organic compound. My dear students, remaining points next class I will explain. So they are not completed. After maybe continuation of IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound, maybe 2 or 3 periods. After that I will start next lessons. So atomic stage next. So after 2 or 3 days I will finish the bridge course. After the bridge course I will start lessons, intermediate lessons and IIT mains also. Okay students, thank you for all.